All right, 2 days, 35,000 steps, and more swag than I could possibly take home in my suitcase. I gotta pick out the very best swag, the only stuff that's gonna make it on. There's so many hats. The future ancestors trust and will. CNBC Pro. I mean, I am a pro. I do not have enough bucket hats, that goes home. These big hats, these rock for practicality, but no. I just like the fact that says this should have been an email. This altruist shirt kicks ass. Only onesie in the entire mix. I don't think I need this. Look at this. And they made me a shirt. I love it. It's from New York Life Investments. I'm gonna give swag of the conference to this tiny little guy right here. The important part about swag is you can get it home. This is for the Granny Shots ETF from Tom Lee. Perfect. This is like a full-on, I'm going to Europe, have a beach towel. My wife would kill me if I did not bring this home. That's pretty cool. That goes up there in the Swag Hall of Fame. If I still had teen daughter at home, I would bring this home. Let's get some obvious winners out of the way. An entire giant box of candy. Congratulations, this was very successful, Global X. This is a balsa airplane. These are the bomb. I'm just gonna throw this around the airport. Giant Stanley mug. These are the kind that people use as armor in the South, I think. It's a skateboard deck. I'll give this back to those guys. Don't worry, we're not gonna throw it away. And of course, zines. Thank you, Perth Toll from Life and Liberty, for sponsoring those. Can't vote for this, it's my own. I'm gonna have to give the winner to this. I know that that's such a small thing, but this is a little moment of joy that you're gonna give to some human being. Could be a child, could be a grown-ass adult. You can give somebody a laugh, it's worth it. I hope you got a laugh out of this. Thanks for playing. Cheers.